On a cruise ship, your reputation is your currency. Lose it, and you lose everything. 21. Don't gossip about guests. It always gets back to someone. 22. Don't date crew recklessly. Ship drama spreads fast. 23. Don't show up late. Reliability equals rehire. 24. Don't disrespect cultural differences. Ships are global environments. 25. Don't treat it like vacation. You are still at work. 26. Don't isolate yourself. Networking matters. 27. Don't burn bridges before contract ends. References follow you. 28. Don't fight on board. There is nowhere to hide at sea. 29. Don't post negative reviews about your own ship. That's career suicide. 30. Don't assume you're irreplaceable. There is always someone waiting. 31. Don't underperform near the end of your contract. 32. Don't neglect your brand image backstage. 33. Don't ignore audience feedback. 34. Don't damage trust with management. 35. Don't forget, this industry is smaller than you think. I've seen talent lose contracts over attitude alone. Part 4 continues.